Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to boot a VMware Workstation virtual machine from a USB flash drive. So normally if you go into the settings, you have your hard disk and your CD-ROM. You could boot from an ISO file, and you go to your USB controller section. You could see information but nothing to boot from there. So the first thing you need to do is to run VMware Workstation as administrator, because if you don't, you will get a certain error here, which I'll show you when you try and add a drive. Fail to load partitions for this device, and this will happen for whatever drive you try and add here. So to get around that, just close it up here and then run it as administrator. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the settings for the virtual machine you want to attach it to, and you want to add, and you want to pick a hard disk, not USB, hard disk, and use SCSI. And then you want to use a physical disk. And now here's where you need to find out which drive you want to use, because it just lists them, starting with 0 and depending on how many drives you have. So what you want to do is you want to go to your File Explorer and you want to check the properties of the disk or the USB disk you want to use. So this is 28 gigabytes. Then you want to open Administrative Command Prompt. And you want to run diskpart, no spaces. Okay, then from there you want to do a list disk. And you can see here that the 28 gig flash drive here is listed as disk 3, so that's the number we want to use. So if we go back to VMware Workstation, we have disk 3 here. So click on next. And you just go with whatever name here, unless you want to change this to like something like that. And click OK. And now you'll have that USB drive mounted there. So what you want to do next is go to the little down arrow here, power on to firmware. You could also get to it from VM, power on to firmware, either way. You'll get this message about using a SCSI physical disk and performance is poor, but we don't care. Okay, so once you get here, you want to go into Enter Setup, then Configure Boot Options, change boot order, and you just press Enter here on this highlighted section. And then you want to find this virtual SCSI hard drive, and then use the plus button on your keyboard to move it up to the top. Then press Enter, and then go down to Commit Changes and Exit. Then exit the boot manager or boot maintenance manager, and then reset the system. Okay, so now this is a Windows 11 computer, so that's the Windows 10 logo. So this is just a password reset boot flash drive. So now I booted into this Password Genius USB flash drive that I had configured. So that's how it works. So once again, just go to your settings, add a hard drive, SCSI, and just make sure you use diskpart here, list disk. Make sure you find the right one, so you could add the right number when you go to it. And then just go into the boot manager here by going to VM, power on to firmware, and then you could go in and change your boot order, and then you'll be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.